Oh. Yeah. I successfully made a mess cooking as usual. Gotta clean that up now too. But chicken bacon, looking good. Can't wait to indulge. Dude, I got sriracha in my eye. I'm a mess. Oh my gosh, it burns so bad. Ah. How does this happen? How does this happen? Ow. Nope. Not there. Not done. Okay. Nope. Gonna get there. We're gonna get through this. Okay. Good. Monday. Might rain a little bit, dusted the jacket, but it's like 50 degrees. It's gonna be an awesome day. Got the whole lift to myself. Dope. Holy crap. What a day, guys. First couple laps, I definitely wasn't feeling it, and got past that, still wasn't feeling it. Still had to try some new stuff. Was definitely struggling on 270s on today, which was unfortunate. But hey, it happens. Tried some new tricks, some wildcats off side hits, tried a tame dog, and ate it on everything, but had an absolute blast. It was a great day.